Now, let's talk about FinTech startup companies and their role in the financial sector. FinTech startups are modern, technology focused businesses that challenge traditional financial services. They aim to shake up the industry by using innovative technology to make financial services more efficient, user friendly, and often less expensive. These companies bring fresh new ideas and new business models, which we will learn more about in Module 4, making them agile and adaptable. FinTech entrepreneurs, which will be covered in Module 12, are the forefront of this movement, driving whole innovation and change. Some fintech startups may collaborate with traditional banks to combine innovative solutions with established networks. Others might operate independently, obtaining their own banking license, we know that earlier, or regulatory approvals to offer services direct to customers. This dynamic interaction between fintech startups and traditional banks is reshaping the whole fintech sector, the whole financial industry, offering more choices and better services to customers. Next, technology companies. Of course, they are not limited to these big four giants. I hope you recognize the logo of these big four giants. They are typically large technology focused companies such as Apple, Google, Facebook, which now known as Meta, and Amazon, and many more. These tech giants have existing large and established digital ecosystem with huge customer base. I am very confident that every single one of us is a user of at least one of these. These companies use their expertise in technology to create software and hardware solutions that support financial industry. Increasingly, developing own financial products or services as well. So, what if they would like to be a tech fin? Not fintech, tech fin. Ask yourself, will you want to bank with Google Bank or Apple Bank instead? The fifth key stakeholders, payment providers and processing companies. These are entities that facilitate electronic transactions between two or more parties by providing payment processing services. They act as intermediaries between the merchants, the customer, and banks, ensuring that payments are securely processed and authorized at the back end. Payment providers and processing companies include credit card networks, most famously Visa, MasterCard, and digital payment platforms such as PayPal and Square. Financial regulatory bodies and government departments include the Reserve Banks of Australia. The RBA is Australia's central bank, responsible for monetary policy, issuing currency, regulating the country's financial system. ASIC, or Australia's Securities and Investments Commissions, is the financial market regulator in Australia. They are responsible for enforcing laws regarding related to corporate governance, financial services, and securities market. APRA, Australia Prudential Regulation Authority, is the prudential regulator in Australia, responsible for supervising banks, insurance companies, superannuation funds to ensure they are financially sound and operating within the law. AUSTRAC, Australia Transactions Report and Analysis Centre. AUSTRAC is Australia's anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing regulator. They are responsible for monitoring and reporting on suspicious transactions and enforcing compliance with financial crime laws. ACCC, Australia Competition and Consumer Commission, is responsible for promoting competition and protecting consumers in Australia, including the financial services industry, by enforcing customer protection laws and investigating anti-competitive behavior. And most recently, we heard about Woolies and Coles as well, and those are anti-competition in a way. These regulatory bodies and government departments work to maintain the stability and integrity of financial systems in Australia, while also protecting the interests of consumers and promoting fair competition in the financial services industry. Anyway, we will go deeper of all these role of regulators and whether have banks have been doing the right thing over the past in module 9.